Philippine National Police, Police Regional Office 13, Camp Colonel Rafael C. Rodriguez, Butuan City. Pursuant to PRO 13, General Orders Number PRO 13-GO-PA-2024-6256 to 6278 dated December 8, 2024. Patrolman General John Hamero Abakahin and 343 others are hereby appointed into the PNP service in the rank of patrolwoman in temporary status with a salary rate of 29,668 effective December 10, 2024 by command of Police Brigadier General Alan M. Nazaro, Regional Director, PRO 13, Official, James T. Gofford, Police Colonel, Chief of Criminal Staff,